Toyota. It's been a while kasi napaka-busy natin. Pero ito, we're do some biglaan vlog. Okay? So earlier today, galing ako sa Sunrise Toyota sa Orillia, Ontario. Nagpa-maintenance tayo ng sasakyan, which is oil change, regular oil change. And then, medyo tumataas na ang kilometer natin, so nagpakon na rin tayo ng transmission fluid, diba? Ngayon, I went to Orillia kasi maganda yung review nila, although malapit lang ang Jackson Toyota dito sa amin, pero I had a bad experience sa kanila, right? So it's been okay so far till pagdating ko dito sa bahay, may napansin akong tumutulo. Okay? And pakita ko sa inyo kung ano yun. So this came from our 4Runner. Pula siya, pulang oil, so gotta be from the transmission fluid work na ginawa nila. Yan. So rinedy ko na yung 4Runner natin sa gitna ng daan para pagdating ng tow truck, madali na, pupuntahan natin. So kausap ko ang Toyota and they both agree na may nangyaring mistake on their end. Kasi let's face it guys, 4Runner, we all know 4Runner are solid like tanks, they don't break. Okay? So as long as ma-maintain mo siya na maayos, these cars can last forever. So sa nangyari ngayon, clearly kasalanan nila. Either hindi nila ginawa na maayos yung transmission fluid, o hindi nila na balik yung plug na maayos. So and tow truck na, buti na lang flatbed. Syempre 4-wheel drive si Perla, so kailangan naka flatbed siya. And then they're gonna take her away to Orillia. Ay, what a busy and stressful day this is. So nalagyan na siya sa flatbed. First tanong ni Perla mapupunta sa tow truck. Yep, still leaking.
Yeah, it's leaking pretty good.
He messed up big time. Well, you don't see this a lot, a 4Runner on the flatbed. Bihirang-bihira ka makakita ng 4Runner na nasa flatbed. Like I said, they don't break. So yun na, si Mrs. na pupunta doon kasi we gotta go pick up the kids. And then update nila ako ni Mrs. mamaya kung anong update. Alright, bye baby, get better. Yan mga ka-daily, hindi ko na kayo na-update on that day nung nagka-problema si Perla. So okay na rin si Perla that day, same day, nakauwi din siya. Unfortunately, yung sabi ng technician sa Toyota, nung linalagay nila yung oil filter, yung rubber seal nya na twist daw, so yun na nag-leak. Nag-apologize naman sila and they paid for everything, and they said for next service they will give me credit, and nagsosorry sila. And sabi ko din, it's weird kasi you'll never see a 4Runner na masisira o nasa tow truck, diba? Napaka-rare. So agree naman yung manager kasi 4Runner is really a good SUV. So yun, despite ng nangyaring yon, I'm still confident sa product ng Toyota. Toyota are very reliable vehicle, and still a very, especially 4Runner, a very strong vehicle. So Perla's back. And yan. Perla's back. And okay na siya. And yeah, linisin lang natin si Perla today. Yun lang. I'll see you guys on the next vlog. Tomorrow may bago tayong vlog. Okay? So yun lang guys. Thanks for tuning in. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!
Where's your rush? Where's your hurry?